Hi, today we are going to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. So here we are given to convert 30 meters per second to kilometers per hour. Alright, 30 meters per second can be written as meters over seconds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate meters and seconds. How? 30 times, here numerator meters, so I write m, times seconds is the denominator, so this can be written as 1 over s. Now meters we have to convert to kilometers. You know 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So we need 1 meter. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1000. Divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. 1000 get cancelled. We get 1 meter equals 1 over 1000 kilometers. Then we have to convert seconds to hours. We know 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then 1 hour can be written as 60 times 60 seconds. That is 3600 seconds. That is 1 hour. Here we have 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. 1h over 1, and this also we can write 3600 s over 1. Then I'm going to switch denominator and numerator. Left hand side, in the same way we have to switch denominator and numerator on the right hand side. So this becomes 1 over 1h equals 1 over 3600 s. Now I need 1 over s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this 3600. So I have to multiply both sides by 3600. 3600 get cancelled. So you get 3600 over 1h equals 1 over s. Now I'm going to substitute 30 times, here meter, that means 1 meter, that is 1 over 1000 kilometers, times 1 over s equals 3600 over 1h. Now I'm going to simplify. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. In numerator I have 3 times 1, that is 3. Then 3 times 36, that is 108 kilometers. In denominator I have 1, and here 1h. 1 times 1, 1h. That means h. So 108 kilometers per hour is the answer. So here we are given to convert 2.5 meters per second to kilometers per hour. I write 2.5 meters per second. I can write meters over seconds. Then I'm going to separate meters and seconds like this way. 2.5 times, here numerator meter, so I write m, times, here denominator s, this can be written as 1 over s. Then meters we have to convert to kilometers. You know 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Both sides I'm going to divide by 1000. because I need 1 meter. 1000 cancel 1000. You get 1 meter equals 1 over 1000 kilometer. Now we have to convert seconds to hours. You know 3600 seconds equals 1 hour. 3600 seconds I can write here 3600 over 1, and right hand side also I can write 1 over 1 h. Then I'm going to switch denominator and numerator on left hand side, so this becomes 1 over 3600 s equals, then right hand side also we have to switch denominator and numerator, so this becomes 1 over 1h. Now I need 1 over s, so I'm going to remove this 3600. How? Multiply both sides by 3600. 3600 get cancelled, so 1 over s equals 1 times 3600, that is 3600 over 1h. Now I'm going to substitute 2.5 times 1 meter means 1 over 1000 kilometers times 1 over s means 3600 over 1h. Now I'm going to simplify. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. Here 2.5, here 10. 2.5 times 1, it is 2.5. 2.5 times 4, that is 10. Then here I have 4 and 36. 4 times 1, that is 4. 4 times 9, that is 36. So numerator I have 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 9, that is 9 kilometers. Then denominator I have 1 times 1h, that is h. So 9 kilometers per hour is the answer.